This isn't just a luxury SUV. This is something you weren't supposed to see. The fully modified 2026 to 2027 Audi Q9-L looks less like a production vehicle and more like a machine built in secret, designed for power, presence, and pure domination. Before the engine even starts, it already owns the road. Wrapped in a deep satin black finish with exposed carbon fiber slicing through every angle, this build doesn't ask for attention, it takes it. The grille is wider, darker, and far more aggressive than anything Audi has ever put on the street, while razor-sharp LED DRLs cut through the darkness like a signature you instantly recognize. Sitting lower with a wide body stance and massive forged wheels, this isn't an SUV anymore. It's a statement of authority. Open the door, and everything changes. The outside is aggression, but the inside? Pure luxury engineered to perfection. The cabin transforms into a rolling VIP lounge, wrapped in Alcantara, quilted leather, and precision-cut carbon fiber. Every surface feels crafted, not manufactured. Ambient lighting flows through the interior, shifting with your mood, turning night drives into a completely different experience. The upgraded MMI system responds instantly, paired with a premium surround sound setup that doesn't just play music, it surrounds you in it. And in the rear, it gets even crazier. Executive seating with extended legroom, massage functions, and individual climate control makes every passenger feel like they're flying first class. But this machine isn't just built to look powerful, it's built to prove it. Under the hood, this modified Q9-L is pushing insane performance, tuned beyond expectations with over 500 horsepower ready to launch at any moment. The exhaust note is deeper, sharper, and impossible to ignore. It doesn't just sound aggressive, it feels alive. Paired with Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, this SUV grips the road like it's locked in place. The reworked adaptive air suspension keeps it planted through corners while still delivering that smooth, effortless luxury ride when you need it. The 2026 to 2027 Audi Q9-L isn't just stepping into the future, it's taking control of it.